A team of seasoned wilderness experts enters a flooded rainforest clearing to show safe movement when water rises. They fashion a buoyant raft from vines and branches, testing stability while guiding a soaked traveler to higher ground. The demo covers field water collection and purification, with a solar still and simple carbon-son filtration for safe drinking. They map the route, note landmarks, and set up a palm frond shelter to stay dry and avoid insects. Viewers learn to stay calm, assess hazards, and apply practical real-world jungle survival skills.